What's going on YouTube? Casey here. For those of you that have been following me, you know that I got rid of my 2002 Camaro Z28. Well, this is what I got rid of it for. 2003 Dodge Cummins turbo diesel. Badass truck. It's got 20-inch Mickey Thompson wheels on 35-inch tires. Runs like a beast. Flew all the way down to Texas to pick it up and drove it all the way back 2,000 miles back to Maryland. Just got it tinted 20%. It's got programmer, edge juice with attitude, full exhaust, straight pipe. Picked it up for $15,500, 143,000 miles. Turbo sounds awesome. It's got an intake. Really makes it sing. I'll take it for a drive. Just want to do a walk around. Interior's real clean. Except for that little spot on the seat right there. The dash, got the stock radio. There's my programmer edge. Alright. Just washed it. Take it around the block. Hopefully you'll be able to hear the turbo. I'm sure you will. Make sure no one's coming. Yeah, sounds real good. It doesn't blow smoke whatsoever, no matter what I do. If I put on the most extreme setting on the programmer and smash the throttle, it still won't blow any smoke, which I read is a good sign. It means it's tuned good, not burning any extra fuel. It's a lot different coming from a built-up Camaro to a big-ass pickup truck, but it's a lot of fun. I've had some fun with it. Still does burnouts and stuff, so didn't completely lose that. Actually passed Maryland State inspection. This is my first vehicle that I've owned that has legally passed inspection. So that's a milestone for me. I do miss my Camaro a shitload. The car is near and dear to my heart. And if that guy ever wants to sell it, I'm the first one he's supposed to contact, so it might not be going forever. Who knows? Gets about 16 miles per gallon on the highway. Same as my Camaro, so that's not too bad. Just sucks that diesel's more expensive than gas, but it's whatever. Gotta pay if you want to play, right? So pulls hard. It's got plenty of power. I'm not going to do anything crazy in this video. Maybe in another video down the road, but not today. Only thing that sucks is when I was coming back from Texas, I didn't have any tags or anything, which is, you know, my fault, but also the person I was buying it from's fault for not sending me the title so I could get temporary tags for it. But got $600 in tickets. Luckily the cop let me drive away He didn't impound the vehicle, which he could have done because I didn't have tags or registration. But yeah, got me for doing 6 over. What kind of bullshit is that? But he did pull me over in a Camaro, which is pretty tight. I've never seen a cop in a Camaro. It's all blacked out. Looked pretty sick, so I complimented him on that, but didn't get me out of the ticket. But anyway, yep. Home sweet home. Put her in park. Take one more quick walk around. Got a bike coming up the street. Let's check this baby out. Sounds sick. Not as sick as my bike though. Check it out on my channel. It's a Gixxer 750 2008. Got a quick video on that too. So I got all kinds of videos. Just check them out. So yep, that's what happened to the Camaro. Here's the replacement. So focus or not. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.